this is the front part of the haircut, right? What about the back? What do you do with all this hair? This is an easy one. I'm gonna section this in 2 sections for the back. So just like we just sectioned it in the back, right? What you wanna do for the back, to find this section of the back of the head, you wanna find the O-bone, the occipital bone. And it's right where, if you feel on your head, it's that little bone in the back. Now, not everybody has one, okay? So don't be surprised, don't be shocked if you're cutting someone's hair and you're feeling and they don't have an O-bone and you're like, I don't know what to do. Here's how you would find where the curve of their head is. Put your comb at the base of their neck, press it to their scalp, and right where that comes off, that's where their O-bone would be. So you might have to fake it and make it. O-bone's right here, curve of the head's right here. So you're just gonna connect the dots. Remember that magic trick in my video on how to always part, just real simple? It's magic. You place your thumb, place your finger where you want your comb to go, and it'll magically go there. If you haven't watched that video, I highly suggest go look for it. So I just did this to the O-bone, right? This to the O-bone, right there, right? Right there. I hope this has helped you. Really think about it. Think about every single person who sits down in your chair. Think about it. Find the O-bone, connect the dots. It'll make you a better hairstylist, I guarantee it.